Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday we have completed the lesson Papaya's Adventure, right? So today we are going to read the lesson once. So I want all of you open the textbook. Keep the textbook in front of you. Run a finger on the line and listen to me how I read. Then your homework for today is reading lesson. Understood? So let me read the lesson. You follow me and then you are going to read it at home on your own. So I am going to read the lesson. Listen to me properly. Running a finger on the line which I read. Ready? So, Papaya was an old name to give a grey and white tabby cat with the most beautiful golden eyes and white whiskers and white paws. But the old thing about Neera and Niren's beloved pet kitten was her love for papaya. When she was a small kitten, she had smelt a ripe papaya in the big blue china fruit bowl in the middle of the dining table. She had jumped up and decided to taste this funny fat fruit. She had eaten up nearly half of it before she was found by Neera and Niren. Let's call her Papaya, said Niren, feeling happy with himself. That's a better name for her than Kitty. It's a funny name, Neera said. That was not the only odd thing about their cat. They discovered next summer that Papaya liked to travel. She was a good traveling cat. That summer they were to go to Kashmir for their holidays. But where shall we leave Papaya? Mother asked. No one knew. At last, Mother said, I suppose we will have to take her along. That was just what the children wanted her to say. We will take care of her ourselves, like always. They promised, shouting happily. All Papaya saw of the journey was the dark inside of a big, closely woven basket which was bumped, jolted, set down roughly, and carried to and fro. She curled herself up at the bottom of the basket, sighed deeply, and fell asleep. She woke up at another bump. She heard something swishing past her softly. It was much cooler too. She sat up in her basket, straightening her whiskers, and heard Neera and Niren shouting with excitement. Look! Look! Look at the funny little boats with cushions and curtains, said Neera excitedly. Those are Shikara's little water taxis, said father. Wow, there's one going by full of flowers, said Niren. And there goes one with vegetables, added Neera. Oh, which is our houseboat? Asked Neera impatiently. See if you can spot the Star of Kashmir, replied mother. That one? The one with pink curtains? The one with flower pots? Neera said. pointing to a large houseboat in front of them. My goodness, look at the water lilies. Mother, my goodness, look at the water lilies, mother. Have you ever seen such enormous lilies? Niren said, surprised. They were having fun all by themselves, and poor Papaya was not even allowed to peep. So, as soon as the lid of the basket was opened, Papaya sprang out with an angry meow. She's all right, Neera cried, picking her up and squeezing her. Let her down, said mother. She wants to look around. At first sight, the houseboat seemed to be a little wooden house to which they brought they had brought her. Pink curtains flapped in the breeze at the windows, and the long leaves of willow tree swayed outside. There were pots of flowers on the patterned rugs, balcony, patterned rugs on the floor, a room stuffed with a sofa, calendars, magazines, and wooden knickknacks. It looked pretty and comfortable. Papaya hopped up on the windowsill and then froze. Slowly, her back arched, all her hair stood on end, and her eyes grew large and black with horror at what she saw. All around the house there was nothing but a sheet of water. With a cry, she sprang down and raced away till she was in a dark corner of the sideboard. Then she heard everyone laugh. They had tricked her. This is the lesson. You have to read it once or twice so that you can understand the story very well. Okay, so now I am going to give you hard words on the blackboard, difficult words I am giving. Please open the notebook, take down the difficult words once. One time you write a word, leave 3 lines. So you are doing homework of 2 times under the word itself and leaving 1 line for neatness. That is how you are going to copy all the hard words. You know it, last year also we did the same thing, this year also. First 2 lessons we did, now we are continuing with the same. So what you are going to do? You are just writing the heading difficult name of the lesson, then heading difficult words, then you are writing 1 word, leaving 3 lines, then second word, leaving 3 lines, then third word. What for? Second and third line you are writing 2 times homework, and fourth line you are leaving for neatness. Please do have that practice. Okay. So let us write difficult words. Name of our lesson is Papaya's Adventure. And our subheading. This you are writing on the red margin. Next line you are writing this heading also. Difficult words. I am writing here, reading along, and you are also reading along with me. So how many ever possible we will write today, remaining tomorrow. Okay, first word whiskers, whiskers. whiskers, whiskers. whiskers, whiskers. Beloved. Beloved, loved. Beloved. Beloved, beloved. Beloved, beloved. Then discovered, discovered, discovered. discovered, discovered. discovered, discovered. Traveling, travelling. Traveling, travelling. Traveling, travelling. Traveling. Next one, suppose. Suppose, suppose. 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 Next, promised. 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 Bumped. 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 Jolted. Jolted. Ninth one, woven. 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 Straightening. 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 straight. Okay. straightening. straightening. Excitement. excite. ment. Excitement. 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 cushions. 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 Curtains. 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 Shikaras. 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 Where do you find shikaras? They are taxi boats found in the lakes in Kashmir. Which lakes? Dal Lake and Ullar Lake. These are the two famous lakes there. Houseboat. HOUSE house. BOAT boat, houseboat. 16th impatiently. IMPATIENT impatient. LY impatiently. IMPATIENTLY impatiently. Let us read them once again two times. Please do have a look at the board and try to repeat the words. WHISKERS whiskers. WHISKERS whiskers. BELOVED beloved. BELOVED beloved. BELOVED beloved. Beloved. DISCOVERED discovered. DISCOVERED discovered. DISCOVERED discovered. TRAVELLING traveling. TRAVELLING traveling. SUPPOSE suppose. SUPPOSE suppose. PROMISED promised. PROMISED promised. PROMISED promised. BUMPED bumped. BUMPED bumped. BUMPED bumped. JOLTED jolted. JOLTED jolted. WOVEN woven. WOVEN woven. STRAIGHTENING straightening. STRAIGHTENING straightening. EXCITEMENT excitement. EXCITEMENT excitement. CUSHIONS cushions. CUSHIONS cushions. CURTAINS curtains. CURTAINS curtains. CHIKARAS shikaras. CHIKARAS shikaras. HOUSE house. BOAT boat, houseboat. HOUSE house. BOAT boat, houseboat. IMPATIENTLY impatiently. IMPATIENTLY impatiently. So we how many? 16 I wrote. Remaining again I will start writing here. So 17th one. Enormous. 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 ENORMOUS enormous. ENORMOUS enormous. SPRANG sprang. SPRANG sprang. SPRANG sprang. Squeezing. 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 SQUEEZING squeezing. SQUEEZING ZING, squeezing. Flapped, FLAPPED, flapped. FLAPPED, flapped. WILLOW, willow. WILLOW, willow. WILLOW, willow. Balcony, BALCONY, balcony. BALCONY, balcony. BALCONY, balcony. Patterned, PATTERNED, patterned means designed. PATTERNED, patterned. PATTERNED, patterned. Stuffed, STUFFED, stuffed. STUFFED, stuffed. STUFFED, stuffed. Calendars, 25th, CALENDARS, calendars. CALENDARS, calendars. CALENDARS, calendars. MAGAZINES, magazines. MAGAZINES, magazines. Knickknacks, KNICK, nick. KNACK, knack. Yes. KNICK, nick. KNACK, snacks. Knickknacks. KNICK, nick. KNACK, snacks. Knickknacks. Comfortable, COMFORTABLE, comfortable. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. 29. Windowsill, WINDO, window. SILL, sill, windowsill. WINDO, window. WINDOW, window. SILL, sill, windowsill. WINDOW, window. SILL, sill, windowsill. Arched, ARCHED, arched. ARCHED, arched. Horror, HORROR, horror. HORROR, horror. 32. Tricked, TRICKED, tricked. TRICKED, tricked. TRICKED, tricked. These are 32 words. Once again, let us read. ENORMOUS, enormous. ENORMOUS, enormous. SPRANG, sprang. SPRANG, sprang. SQUEEZING, squeezing. SQUEEZING, squeezing. FLAPPED flapped, FLAPPED flapped, WILLOW willow, WILLOW willow, BALCONY balcony, BALCONY balcony, PATTERNED patterned, PATTERNED patterned, STUFFED stuffed, STUFFED stuffed, CALENDARS calendars, CALENDARS calendars, MAGAZINS magazines, MAGAZINS magazines, NICK KNICK KNACKS snacks, knickknacks, KNICK KNACKS knacks, knickknacks, COMFORTABLE comfortable, COMFORTABLE comfortable, WINDOW window, SILL sill window sill, WINDOW window, SILL sill window sill, ARCHED arced, ARCHED arced, HORROR horror, HORROR horror, TRICKED tricked, TRICKED tricked, TRICKED tricked. So this is it for today. I read the lesson. Your homework is to read the lesson and write these words 2 times in your notebook. 1 time now you copy, 2 times afterwards you write. After 3 times leave a line. Like that you continue with the work. So that's it for today, children. Thank you.